how to change page width in Shopify. To show you this, I have my startup page open here, and I'm just going to go to the left hand side and click on Online Store. From there, I'm going to go to Themes, and under these images here, you can see this button which says Customize. After we click on that, it will take us to this preview page of our online store. And I'm just going to go to the top left corner here, and I'm going to look for the second icon, which looks like a gear. And this one says Theme Settings. After you click on that, you want to look out for a layout. And once that's selected, the first thing you see is page width. That will determine the width of our page. And the way we increase this, since it's currently at 1200 pixels, we want to make it wider. So we just drag the slider to the right. As you can see, it increases in value. So we've reached our maximum value of 1600 pixels. And I'm just gonna click on Save here at the top right corner. And that should save our changes. As you can see down here, that's what it says. Now when we go back, you can go to the online store here again, and you click on this little eye icon which says View Your Online Store. Once you open this, it will open it in a new tab, and you can see the changes it's made to your page. And that's how you change the width of your page in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.